Hi guys, today we'll be showing y'all how to use Wakelet. We will be able to use this tool in our PBL unit on endangered species. So to get started, we want to come up here to the top and click on the home page. These are all of the Wakelets I have made in the past. So we want to click this green circle with the plus sign so we can create a new collection. So once we do that, we're going to have to give the collection a title. So I'm going to create this one as an example, and I'll do pandas. So our title would say something like help wanted, and then you would put the species that you are wanting help for. So I would put endangered pandas. Now you have to write a short description. So you could say something like, we have designed a plan to help save the pandas. You could say, can you help us? Now that you have given it a title and a description, you're going to start on the body part of your collection. So you have options here. You can paste a web address, you can add a text box, or you can upload an image. These last three things we won't be using. All you should need is a text box and the image. So we can start with the image. You can choose an image that you already have downloaded. You can choose a GIF, or you can choose from Unsplash, which is Wakelet's idea of photos. So we'll hit upload an image, and I have this cute little image, and we can hit open, and as you can see, it's downloading the image, and there it is. So you can either come down here and you see this green circle, you can click that and add something new, or you can hover over the picture and you can use this little pencil and it says edit. So you tap the edit thing and you can add a description down here at the bottom, or you can add a text that belongs right underneath it. And so you could say something like, look at how cute these pandas are, and then we need to save them. And then if you hit done, it will be saved in on your photo. So then you hit the plus button because you want to add something new. You'll click that and you can upload an image. Let's try Unsplash, which is Wakelet's form of photos. And you can type in your species, but mine would be pandas. And let's choose that image. And we could hit the edit button and we could say pandas eat bamboo and leaves. Since the panda is eating in the photo, we hit done and it publishes it. And then we want to add another thing, but this time we'll add a text box. And we could say something, this is where you add all of your information. So we could say something like, why the species is endangered, and then you'll describe the environment they live in, and then you'll explain your plan to help, and you'll hit done. But this part right here, you'll go into way more detail because of all the research that you have completed throughout the days. This is just an example for y'all. And then once you're done, you'll come up here to the blue share button at the top, and you'll have to change it from private to public. And you can see there are many options that you can use to share. For this instance, we're going to share through a QR code. As you can see, it pops up the QR code. So you will take a picture of it, and I will print out all of the QR codes and I will put them around the classroom, and we will be able to scan each QR code and learn about everyone's endangered animals and how we can help. So then you come back to home and you can see your help wanted is right here. And that is how we will use Wakelet in our PBL unit.